this video we're going to talk about RobotEra, which is creating a sandbox-like metaverse game. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Let's get into it, guys. So, jumping over to the RobotEra website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see right now they have a token pre-sale on, and we're going to go and look at that later on, how you can go and pick up those tokens at pre-sale prices. But what is this game all about? Well, introducing the RobotEra. RobotEra is building a sandbox-like planet rebuilding metaverse. You'll become a robot, acquire resources from the planet, manage your own land, create robot companions, and participate in the creation of the world. Here, there's freedom to create anything that you like within this metaverse and start a new era. So pretty cool concept, guys. I really like this kind of thing about Web3 and all the kind of like new platforms, as it allows lots of creative people who may not have the skills of things like coding, etc., to still be able to benefit from creating lots of things online. And that I think is very, very cool. If we come down below to the RobotEra gameplay, you can see you participate in creating buildings or NFTs, which you can then use, trade, sell to other people participating in the game. You can edit to create lands or different types of robots to exist within that land. You can explore special spaces, find rewards, build a new metaverse with other NFT communities, participate in quests and challenges, invite NFTs from communities to enter their theme park. Tons and tons of different features, guys. It's actually very unique and I haven't really seen before, and has me actually very interested as a content creator online. If we look down into the robot section, guys, robots are the RobotEra's primary NFTs. Players will be incarnated as robots. These characters belong to 7 different factions, each with their different attributes and advantages. Holding one of these NFTs will unlock many benefits. So you can do lots of different things with these. So you can earn the right to rent and trade your robot or robot companions to earn. You can also do things like creating, so you can create by mining minerals, using then the resources, etc., to build components, and then craft new robots to be sort of companions with you. Various different airdrops and things all the time, and there's also going to be a DAO to become a part of later on. Coming down below then, we can see all the different types of land, and then there's sort of the benefits of holding different pieces of land. Once you kind of own pieces of land, you can then earn from them, renting them out, etc. And you can see this is like the operation or the value of holding the land. Allows you to do things like play. You can do things like mining to gather new resources. You can have constructions, energy construction, factory production, and gathering of different elements and materials, etc. And by having robot companions, you can get assisted in completing various tasks, and this ultimately will improve your overall performance within the kind of gameplay. There's also an editor where you can use editing tools to be able to edit your land. You can edit your robots. Tons of other cool features like that to enable you to be as creative as possible. So currently on the roadmap, guys, was sat down in 2022, Q4, private sale of TARO token listing on exchanges, battle system completed testing, etc. And then a bit more going on in the early stages of it next year. Down below, we got the team. It's good to see the team here. You can see very transparent. You can go and click on the team members and go and find out more about them, as well as various latest news about the project here. So guys, how do we get involved in the pre-sale? Well, very straightforward. I'm that link down below in the description. We can click on buy now. There's always an advantage to getting in on pre-sale because companies will tend to sell products at a cheaper price than they actually want to have the price listed at eventually. So pretty much as soon as it launches, you can often see 10%, 20%, maybe even more in terms of the returns. And this is fantastic, guys, because you then basically make money straight away. That's obviously not financial advice. It can always go the other way, but that's just a great way. And from my experience, the way it works, you can see at the moment they're currently selling for 0.02 USDT, and this is pre-sale stage 1. So you need to hurry up because at stage 2, the price will then go up to 0.025. And then as it goes through various stages, it will continue to rise in price until it eventually gets launched. So the TARO token is effectively the token that powers the whole multiverse and is already dubbed one of the hottest pre-sales of 2022. You can buy directly with USDT or you can buy with Ethereum in your wallet. Just have to connect your wallet, guys. So you just have to connect your wallet. You can either use Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect to get yourself to use a MetaMask wallet or whatever your wallet of choice is, guys. It's good to see they're fully audited and KYC verified. Coming down below, guys, you can see there's full instructions on how you can buy the tokens and put them into your wallet, as well as various other features. Coming down to the Twitter page then, guys, you can see already pretty well established, and they're talking about, and all the various news and things are released on this. So if you want to find out more information and keep up to date with what's happening on RobotEra, make sure you go down below, hit the Twitter link, and it'll bring you across this page. Give them a follow, go across to their platform, guys, get into the details and find out more information. This is a very exciting platform. They've already raised a good amount of funding, and this will see them start to grow exponentially faster as they move further through their pre-sale, so do not miss out on the very best prices. So in summary, RobotEra is a sandbox-like metaverse game which allows you to build and create different pieces of land. It also allows you to create robots to go away and do various tasks. You can create robot companions, mine for materials, and do so much more within this game. It's currently available in the phase 1 of the pre-sale, but hurry up, do not miss out on your chance to secure the very best price on these tokens, because they will exponentially be getting more expensive as time goes on. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that content. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Thank you for doing that. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about Web3, NFTs, crypto, and so much more, make sure you hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.